pulling up with my own damn cash. Rag, get him.
I'm a boss bitch, and I'm too lit. I'm coming through in some brand new shit. Got a nigga with a big ass dick, real super soaker pussy and a fat ass clit. Smart bitch with a big fat ass. I don't gotta make it clap just to get that cash, cause I got my own bread and I can match your back.
As y'all can see, we have Frosty the Snowman out here. Don't ask me how that happened, but yeah, it is snowing in New York. I just wanted, like I said, I just wanted to, enjoy, Halloween maybe, and then we could get off into winter, and do the Christmas and my birthday thing. But it looked like God got other plans, for real, for real. Lord have mercy. New York, New York. Good morning to everybody, though. Lord have mercy. What are y'all doing on this good old Halloween Christmas? Good morning to everybody. I need y'all to check out Lady Cypher.
Why you frontin' like you really wanna
Lady
boss up?
Cypher,
You ain't know that
Bossed
you was
Up.
fucking with a boss, huh? You ain't know that I can
This
match
song
your
will be
bag.
dropping
I'm
soon.
pulling up with my
It's
own
called
damn
Bossed
cash.
Up.
Rag, get him.
I'm a boss bitch, and I'm too lit. I'm coming through in some brand new shit. Got a nigga with a big ass dick, real super soaker pussy and a fat ass clit. Smart bitch with a big fat ass. I don't gotta make it clap just to get that cash, cause I got my own bread and I can match your bag. Love fast ass hard so I can beat your back. I'm a real life boss ass city bitch. No purse, having big titty bitch. Bring that ass over here since you claiming you bossed up. I only wanna see if you really get forced up. If you got it like that, I can match your bag. Money well spent, I ain't pay for no ass. When I come through, bitch, I be making them mad, cause I'm a boss ass bitch with a big ass bag.
So why you frontin'?
Yeah, that is Lady Cypher. Y'all can hear the whole song real soon. I'm gonna be playing it again in my live. That is Lady Cypher and RAG, two dope ass female artists. So y'all support them. LADYCYFA. Y'all can find them online, Instagram, all that good stuff. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoy y'all Halloween. Make sure y'all stay safe through this pandemic. As y'all see the little, decorations in the back. We getting ready for Halloween, one of the favorite holidays besides Christmas. But yeah, like I was just vlogging, it's snowing in New York. Snowing in New York. We can't even enjoy, our leaves on the floor. We can't even enjoy our leaves on the floor before, the snow come and just sprinkle it all up. But I want y'all to pay attention. Part 4 is coming. It should be dropping today on the day of Halloween. Sorry that it took so long, but I feel that it's better that it drop on, the day of Halloween. It is Reggie's Halloween. So I appreciate all the people that have been tuning in, everybody that want to get on the seasons to come and the next shows to come, doing voice drops and all that. I'm excited. I'm super appreciative of y'all, giving me this push on this side of the comedy thing besides my music endeavor. Most definitely appreciate y'all. Y'all know how I say all the time, stay brinked up, secure the bag, secure your family. Love.